Hey guys! Are you ready to take your vacation photos to the next level? Today, I'm going to show you how to edit your photos so that they look like they were taken by a professional photographer. Now, first things first, you need to choose the right photo editing app. I recommend using Lightroom. It's user-friendly and offers a lot of great features. So, once you have your app downloaded, let's dive into the editing process. The first thing you should do is adjust the exposure. This will help brighten up your photo and make it visually appealing. Then, you can play around with the temperature and tint of the photo, which will help bring out the colors of your destination. Next, let's focus on the scenery. One of the best ways to make your vacation photos stand out is by adding contrast. This will help make the mountains or beach in the background look more defined and vivid. Lastly, you can add some presets or filters to your photo. This is what will really make your photo stunning. I would recommend to use my presets, which are custom-made for vacation photos, be it beaches or mountains. Wrapping up, editing your vacation photos can be a fun and rewarding experience. It's a great way to showcase your adventures and memories. So, go ahead and give it a try. I can't wait to see how your photos turn out. Let me know which tips were most helpful for you in the comments below.